Hi friends, I'm pressing F5 and look what an amazing clock is this. It was amazing. I'm Shakshi here and this is our first PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are going to make a animated clock in PowerPoint and let's start with it. So first take a blank page and press shift and make a circle in it. To format the shape fill to yellow, gold, this one, outline, no outline. Align it to the center of the slide and so now we will take a triangle duplicate it to format the shape outline to no outline, the one, and now we will rotate it vertically to no fill. For one, we'll make it color to pink. Select them both, group them both, so the circle and our needle. Now we'll duplicate it using shorter. Our needles are ready. Get off. Fill to dark tea and this one. Using Control and Shift, we will dot the circle a duplicate of it, format the shape fill to gray, this one, it more smaller. Now we will write the numbers. The color to red. Make a duplicate of it. Again, get it. Put in an angle of 90 degree. Same. We will select them both. We'll again duplicate them, but now we have to adjust them again this side. Select them again, duplicate them. I will fill the numbers. Now adjust the numbers again. We have to keep the distance of almost 30-degree angle. Now all we have to do is to fill the animation. Now we will select the bigger hand and give it the animation spin and write the 1 and hit enter. Now we will add the animation using add animation spin 12 times. Now we will select all of them using shift and write the 1 and hit enter. Now we will select the other one and give it the animation spin and do the same process using add animation 12 times, but they should be with previous. Now we will select all of them using shift and select the with previous and write the one and hit enter. Now we will click on the drop down menu over there and we will click option effect options, and in it we will write 30°. Now we will adjust them and we will keep them under all the bigger hand animations. Now let's see how a clock works. That's all for today. Bye.